Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Truth Islam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Students, exercise 5A, mathematics, class 6, abstract students. Question number 10. Solve the following equation, and A part is 12 over x plus 3 is equal to 2. Students, if you look carefully, on the left side there is a denominator that is dividing 12. When we transfer this x plus 3 to the other side, it will multiply and we will get 12 is equal to 2 into x plus 3. Now students, on the right side 2 is multiplying with x and plus 3. So I will multiply 2 with x as well as with 3 and we will get 12 is equal to 2x plus 2 3 are 6. Students, 6 is plus on right side. When we transfer it to the side, it will become minus and it will be 12 minus 6 is equal to 2x. 12 minus 6 means 6 is equal to 2x, and 2 is multiplying with x. When we transfer it to the other side, it will divide and written as 6 over 2 is equal to x. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 3 is equal to x, or x is equal to 3. So the value of x is 3. Students, B part of the same question is 11 over 2x minus 1 is equal to 4. 2x minus 1 is dividing on left side. When we transfer it to the side, it will multiply with 4 and we will get 11 is equal to 4 into 2x minus 1. Now students, this 4 will multiply with both the numbers that are written in the bracket and we will get 11 is equal to 4 2s are 8x minus 4 1s are 4. And now students, 4 is minus on left side. When we transfer it to other side, I mean to say that when we transfer this minus 4 to the left side of the equation, then this minus 4 will become plus 4 and written as 11 plus 4 is equal to 8x, and 11 plus 4 both are like terms and we will sum up both the number. 11 plus 4 means 15. And this 8 is multiplying with x. When we transfer it to other side of the equation, it will divide and is equal to x. Now students, it's improper fraction. If you want to change this into mixed number, you will divide 15 with 8. 8 1s are 8. Subtract 8 from 15 and we will have 7. So x will become, the quotient will be the whole number and it is written as 1 whole number, then remainder will be the numerator, that is 7 over 8. So the value of x is 1 whole number 7 over 8. Students, C part of the 10th question is 32 over 2x minus 5 minus 3 is equal to 1 over 4. Students, first I will transfer this minus 3 to the other side and it will become plus. And on the left side it is written 32 over 2x minus 5 is equal to 1 over 4 plus 3, and I can write 3 as 3 over 1. Now students, we will take the LCM of the denominators of right side and left side will be written as it is 32 over 2x minus 5 is equal to 4 will be the LCM of 1 and 4. When we divide 4 with 4, 4 divided by 4, 4 1s are 4, so 1 is the quotient and 1 will be multiplied with 1 and 1 1s are 1 plus, now students, divide 4 with 1, 4 divided by 1, 1 4s are 4, so the quotient is 4 and 4 will multiplied with 3 and 4 3s are 12, so 8 will become 32 over 2x minus 5 is equal to 1 plus 12 means 13 over 4. Now students, on both of the sides there are single denominators, so we will do by cross multiplication, and by cross multiplication mean the numerator of left side will be multiplied with the denominator of the right side, and numerator of right side will be multiplied with the denominator of the left side. So it will become 13 into 2x minus 5 is equal to 4 into 32. Students, you can write 32 multiplied by 4 on left side and 13 into 2x minus 5 on right side. It does not matter the question. Now 13 is multiplying with both the numbers that are written in the bracket. So 13 2s are 26x minus 13 5s are, students, 65. You can multiply it in the working as well. Is equal to 4 multiplied by 32 mean 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. It will be 128. Now students, 65 is minus on left side. When we transfer it to the other side, it will become plus, and on the left side will be 26x is equal to 128 plus 65, and 26x will be, students, sum up both the numbers 128 and 65. 8 plus 5 13, 1 carry, 6 plus 2 8 and 1 9. It will be 193. Now students, 26 is multiplying on left side with x. When we transfer it to the side, it will divide, and we will have x is equal to 193 over 26. Now we have to divide 193 with 26 to change this improper fraction into mixed number. Take the table of 2, not more than 19. So 2 9s are 18. Now I will multiply 26 with 9. In this way, 26 multiplied by 9. 9 6 are 54. 5 carry. 9 2s are 18 or 5 23. It is 234, that is greater than 193. So I will multiply 26 with 8. 8 6 are 48. 4 carry. 8 2s are 16 or 420. It is 208, that is also greater than 193. So I will multiply 26 with 7. 26 multiplied by 7. 7 6 are 42. 4 carry. 7 2s are 14 or 4. 18 182. So 7 will be the quotient and 182 will be written here. Subtract 182 and the value of x will become 7 whole number 11 over 26, and it is the value of x. Students, D part of question number 10 is 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over x plus 2 minus 1. So first I will transfer this minus 1 to left side because these two terms are the like term, and it is written as 1 over 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 over x plus 2. Students, for making the single denominator on left side, we will take LCM of both the fractions, and 1 can be written as 1 over 1. So LCM of 1 and 2 will be 2. 2 divided by 2 mean 1, and when 1 multiplied by 1 it will be 1 plus. Now students, divide 2 with 1. When we divide 2 with 1, 1 2s are 2. So the quotient is 2, and when 2 multiplied with 1 we will get 2 is equal to 1 over x plus 2. 1 plus 2 means, students, 3 over 2 is equal to 1 over x plus 2. Now on both the sides there are single denominators, so we will do BCM, and BCM mean by cross multiplication, and by cross multiplication mean the denominator of right side will be multiplied with the numerator of left side, and it is written as 3 into x plus 2 is equal to, and the denominator of left side will be multiplied with the numerator of right side, and it will become 1 multiplied by 2. Now this 3 will multiply with both the numbers that are written in the bracket. 3 multiplied by x means 3x plus 3 multiplied by 2 means 6 is equal to 1 2s are 2. This 6 is plus on left side. When I transfer it to other side, it will become minus. So 3x is equal to 2 minus 6. On right side, there are two numbers having different signs. So I will subtract 2 from 6 and put the sign of greater number, that is 6. So it will be minus 4. And 3 is multiplying with x. When we transfer it to other side, it will divide. So x will be equal to minus 4 over 3. Now divide 4 with 3 to convert this improper fraction into mixed number. So 3 1s are 3 and 1 is remainder. Quotient will be the whole number. Remainder will be the numerator and divisor will be the denominator. So the value of x is 1 whole number 1 over 3. Students, E part of question number 10 is y plus 5 over y minus 6 is equal to 5 over 4. Students, on both the sides there are single denominators, so we will do BCM, and BCM mean by cross multiplication. BCM. Numerator of right side will be multiplied with the denominator of the left side, and we will have 5 into y minus 6 is equal to 4 into y plus 5. Now students, multiply this 5 with both the numbers, that are y and minus 6, so we will get 5y minus 30. Students, before y 1 is written, that is understandable, and it is not written as a coefficient because it is understood that 1 is the coefficient of the variable. If there is no coefficient of the variable, then 1 will be the coefficient of the variable. So 5 will multiply with 1y and it will become 5y, and when 5 multiply with minus 6, it will be minus 30 is equal to 4 multiplied by y means, students, 4y plus 5 4s are 20. Now transfer this 4y to left side and it will become minus, and transfer this minus 30 to right side and it will become plus. So it is written as 5y minus 4y is equal to 20 plus 30. Subtract 4y from 5y and we will have 1y, and 1 is not written because it is understood that 1 is the coefficient of y is equal to 20 plus 30. It is 50. So the value of y is 50. Students, F part of the same question is 2y plus 1 over 3y minus 5 is equal to 4 over 7. On both the sides, students, there are single denominators, so we will do BCM, and BCM mean by cross multiplication, and the denominator of right side will be multiplied with the numerator of left side, and we will write it as 7 into 2y plus 1 is equal to, this 4 will multiply with 3y minus 5 and written as 4 into 3y minus 5. Students, we can write this side to left side and left side to right side. It will not affect our question. So it is totally up to you that you are multiplying 7 with 2y plus 1 and 4 with 3y minus 15. The reason of writing 7 into 2y plus 1 on left side is when 7 multiply with 2 it will become 14, and when 12 multiply with 3 it will be 12. So 14 is greater number, that's why I have written 7 into 2y plus 1 on left side. If you will write this on right side and this is on the left side, then it will not affect the question and our answer will be same. Now 7 will multiply with both the numbers, so 7 2s are 14y plus 7 1s are 7 is equal to 4 3s are 12y minus 4 5s are 20. Now students, I will transfer this 12 to left side and it will become minus, and this plus 7 will be transferred to the right side and it will become minus as well. So 14y minus 12y is equal to minus 20 and minus 7. Subtract 12y from 14y and we will have 2y is equal to, on right side both the numbers have same signs. So we will sum up both the numbers and put the same sign and it will become minus 27. This 2 is multiplying with y. When we transfer it to other side, it will divide. So it is written as y is equal to minus 27 over 2. Now divide 27 with 2 to convert this improper fraction into mixed number. 2 ones are 2, and then next digit is 7, 2 threes are 6, and the remainder is 1. So the value of y will be 13 whole number minus 13 whole number 1 over 2. So it is the value of y. Students, G part of the same question is 2 over y minus 2 is equal to 3 over y plus 6. Now students, if you look carefully on both the sides, there are single denominators. So we will do BCM. BCM means that by cross multiplication. And students, when 3 will multiply with y, it will be 3y, and when 2 multiply with y, it will be 2y. So I will write 3 into y minus 2 on left side and 2 into y plus 6 on right side. So it is written as 3 into y minus 2 is equal to 2 into y plus 6. Now multiply 3 with both the numbers and we will have 3y minus 6 is equal to 2y plus 2 6 are 12. Students, transfer this 2y to left side and it will become minus, and transfer this minus 6 to right side and it will be plus. So we will get 3y minus 2y is equal to 12 plus 6. Subtract 2y from 3y and we will have y is equal to 12 plus 6 mean 18, and the value of y is 18. Students, last part of question number 10 is 2 over 7y minus 3 is equal to 3 over 9y minus 2. There are single denominators on both the sides, so we will do BCM. BCM mean by cross multiplication. Students, when 3 will multiply with 7, it will be 21, and when 2 multiply with 9, it will be 18. So I will multiply 3 with this denominator and write it on the left side. So it is 3 into 7y minus 3 is equal to 2 into 9y minus 5. Students, you can write this side, right side to left side and left side to right side. It will not affect our question. Now multiply 3 with both the numbers, and 3 7s are 21y minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 2 9s are 18y minus 2 5s are 10. Now students, transfer this 18y to left side and this minus 9 to right side. 18y will become minus and 9 will become plus when we change the sides. So we will get 21y minus 18y is equal to minus 10. That is already written on the right side. So I will not change the sign of this 10. It will remain minus 10. But when we transfer this minus 9 from left side of the equation to right side, it will become plus. Now students, subtract 18y from 21y and we will have 3y is equal to, on the right side there are two numbers having different sign. So I will subtract smaller number from the greater and then put the sign of greater, so it will become minus 1, and 3 is multiplying with y. When we transfer it to the side, it will divide. So the value of y will become minus 1 over 3, and it is the value of y. So students, it's enough for today. Rest of the question of this exercise will be solved in the next video. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time.